Assalamualaikum and good morning to Madam Aisha and my friends. My name is Sofiana Irani binti Sunay. My matrix number is 01TKM20F2073. Do you know what is mental health issues and how important is mental health to ourselves? Mental health refers to cognitive, behavioral, and emotional well-being. It is all about how people think, feel, and behave. People sometimes use the term of mental health to mean the absence of mental disorder. Today we are going to talk about causes of mental health disorders. Mental health problems can have a wide range of causes. It's likely that for many people there is a complicated combination of factors, although different people may be more deeply affected by certain things than others. For example, the following factors could potentially result in a period of poor mental health: childhood abuse, trauma, neglect, social isolation, loneliness, experience discrimination and stigma, social disadvantage, poverty or debt, bereavement, losing someone close to you, severe or long-term stress. Difference. My first point is changing school. When it comes to moving, depression in your child may not be a concern that first comes to mind. However, some research shows that moving, especially the transition to new school, may lead to depressive symptoms in a child. This is of course only a possibility, though research shows a connection between moving and depression in children. That doesn't mean that every child will be impacted by a move in this way. You have to make decisions that are right for you and your family, and that might just be making a move. Fortunately, there are a few things that you can do to ensure a smooth transition for your child and happy in your new home. Whenever possible, keep your child at the same school or a school in the same district. Research has found that moving school can be particularly difficult for children in the elementary and middle school years. My second point for causes of mental health disorder is social expectation. There are specific life events and accomplishments that a society seems to expect of everyone. For example, a society that associates beauty with thinness can be affected in the development of eating disorder. People will be scared of gaining weight because this kind of society that always criticize their weight, whether they are overweight or underweight. Example of eating disorder is anorexia nervosa. You will try to keep your weight as low as possible. If you have anorexia, you may think you are overweight even if others say you are dangerously thin. You may fear gaining weight, and this misleads to encourage you to eat more. Last but not least, causes of mental health is severe psychological trauma. Emotionally and psychological trauma is the result of extraordinary stressful events that shatter your sense of security, making you feel helpless in a dangerous world. Psychological trauma can leave you struggling with upsetting emotions, memories, and anxiety that won't go away. It can also leave you feeling numb, disconnected, and unable to trust other people. For example, PTSD or post-traumatic stress disorder is a set of reactions that can occur after someone has been through a traumatic event. Reliving the traumatic event through distressing, unwanted memories, vivid nightmares, or flashbacks. This can also include feeling very upset or having intense physical reactions such as heart palpitation or being unable to breathe when reminded of the traumatic event. In my presentation today, I've explained few causes of mental health disorder that may help us to take care of our mental health. Mental health is very important as physical health. Love yourself is the most important thing if you want to take care of your mental health. However, I would like to finish with this powerful quote from Marika Hargitay: healing takes time, and asking for help is courageous step.